Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a dual E-motor with standard battery range, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a max trailer tow package, and has a 9.6 kilowatt Pro Power on board. We do get some nice rear park sensing, tow hitch with a backup camera. We do get a nice tailgate step as well. You got the customary lightning lights with the lightning logo right there. We have a gripped black running board, side view camera, lights, blind spot detection, and we do get this nice place to plug in your vehicle. You can lock it into place, all that fun stuff. And moving to the front, we do get that signature lightning LED light bar that goes across the front of the vehicle with recovery hooks, license plate back and front view camera, and that nice faux grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a mega powered frunk, which you can use on the key fob, the little lip under there, or button by the driver's side, which allows you to have plenty of storage where the engine is usually. You do get your storage underneath as well with a mobile power cord, hooks, and doodads to hold your gear down as well. Your escape, in case you get stuck down here, you got a little frunk light as well. You can put your little golf clubs in here as well, just a little cool decal there, and you do get your Pro Power Onboard decals right here, and you can turn them on and off. Not decals, but outlets. And to close, all you have to do is hit this button right there, and we'll close automatically. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space with a carpeted interior as well. We got some nice cup holders. We do get some outlets here as well, and 120 volt, and of course you do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is pretty handy for some extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do get a mostly powered driver's seat, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, lights, frunk, pedal adjusters, and parking brake all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 133 kilometers. We do get this leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we got a digital speedometer, distance empty on our battery, so we have roughly around 153 kilometers till we need to charge. We have my view, trip, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select, speeds, or no speeds, since it is a single speed transmission, because it is electric. It is collapsible. You got storage, cup holders, more storage here with outlets, trailer brake, Protrailer assist, engine start stop, heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Got a 360 view of your vehicle, and you can change the view of the camera as well. We're going to click into our bed, so we have a nice view of our goods, hazards, and traction. You do get storage above as well, storage there and in the glove compartment. And looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, and Bluetooth. You got your phone controls, navigation, fave apps, messaging, Pro Power Onboard, email, charge settings, drive modes, all that jazz. Apps in general, or any apps you've downloaded, will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and we do give this public charging, which is pretty handy, so it'll locate your nearest charger, settings, and, oh my gosh, your features of the vehicle. And we're going to click into our drive modes, where we do get normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, and slippery, one pedal drive, locking differential, and hill descent, thanks to that nice max trailer tow package, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG08446, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.